This next hair hack is Airtouch balayage. You've seen it all over Instagram. I'm gonna show you just how to do it. So you're gonna take a little sliver of a section here, and what we're gonna be using is a blow dryer to push away some of these shorter layers. Then you separate the shorter layers that came out, and you have this beautiful section to paint on. You'll put a foil under here, just like so. You'll paint all the way up. Look at that. You don't have to worry about taking any teas out at the end. Boom!